In the rapidly evolving landscape of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, Russia has emerged as a pioneer with its cutting-edge helicopter-type UAVs, showcasing a formidable combination of innovation and military prowess. The versatility of Russian helicopter-type UAVs is a standout feature, making them invaluable assets for a wide range of missions. Equipped with advanced sensors and imaging technology, these drones excel in reconnaissance, offering real-time intelligence and enhancing situational awareness on the battlefield. Their ability to navigate challenging terrains and swiftly adapt to dynamic environments positions them as versatile tools for military operations, ranging from surveillance to combat scenarios. In terms of combat capabilities, Russian helicopter-type UAVs have proven to be highly effective. Armed with precision-guided munitions, these drones can engage targets with remarkable accuracy and agility. This not only minimizes risks to human pilots, but also increases the overall effectiveness of military missions. The combination of stealth, speed, and firepower establishes these UAVs as a formidable force in contemporary warfare. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, further enhances the capabilities of Russian helicopter-type UAVs. AI algorithms empower these drones to autonomously analyze data, identify threats, and make split-second decisions, improving their operational efficiency. This technological innovation not only reduces the workload on human operators, but also allows for rapid and adaptive responses to emerging situations, reflecting Russia's commitment to staying at the forefront of military technology.